So in terms of reliability, we try to use as many items off the shelf as possible, rather than using items which have been specifically designed for the processes that we're involved in. The fact that we use off-the-shelf equipment means that it's proven technology, but we're using that in the processes that we've adapted to suit customers' needs. In terms of maintenance, support staff, we've got a team at CDS head office who can help pretty much 24 hours a day in terms of helping with processes and also offering service, maintenance contracts, spares, really to suit all of the varying customers that we've got throughout the different industries.